Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make guacamole. First, gather your ingredients: 3 ripe avocados, 1/4 cup of finely chopped red onion, and 2 tablespoons of fresh lime juice. Also, have ready 1/4 cup of chopped fresh cilantro, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. These simple items are the foundation for delicious, homemade guacamole. Now, let's get mashing. Carefully cut your 3 ripe avocados in half, remove the large pits, and scoop all the creamy green flesh into a medium-sized mixing bowl. Grab a fork or a potato masher and gently mash the avocado until it reaches your preferred texture. Some like it chunky, others smooth. Then, stir in the 2 tablespoons of lime juice, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Next, it's time to add those vibrant flavors. Carefully fold in the 1/4 cup of finely chopped red onion and the 1/4 cup of fresh cilantro into your mashed avocado mixture. Mix everything gently until all the ingredients are well combined and evenly distributed. Now for the best part, taste your guacamole. Adjust the seasonings, adding a little more salt or a splash of lime juice if you think it needs it. Your delicious, homemade guacamole is now ready to enjoy. Serve it immediately with your favorite tortilla chips, fresh cut vegetables, or as a flavorful topping for tacos and burritos. If you have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container with plastic wrap pressed directly onto the surface to prevent browning. This keeps it fresh for about 1 to 2 days. Remember to check the description below for the link to the Echo Dot and other great deals. Enjoy your amazing creation.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.